Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna talk about insurance, what insurance is, what it really means, what are the types of insurance, and what are the benefit of insurance to a person. So actually most of the people know about insurance, but they are not clear about the term, and they mostly don't know the different types of insurances and what benefit they can bring to you. So let's find it out in the Google, and just jump into the Google and write insurance, what insurance really is, and what are the types of insurances and all the good stuff. So what do you mean by insurance? Let's find it out. Insurance is a contract represented by a policy in which an individual or entity receive financial protection or reimbursement against losses from an insured company. The company pools client risks to make payment more affordable for the insured. So actually what does it's actually a commitment between the companies to a man or a person who takes the insurance, and there are different types of insurances, and if there are different companies that provides different kind of insurances, and if somebody wants insurance they can find out with different companies, whichever suits them, whichever is affordable for them, they will go for that. So what are the different types of insurances? So actually there are different types of insurances. Let's find out what are the different types and main types of insurances. There is main first one is home insurance, second one is motor insurance, third one is travel insurance, and health insurance. So as their name suggested, that what kind of insurances they are. Home insurance is for home, motor insurance is for car and vehicles, and travel insurance is for the one when you travel somewhere, and health insurance is for your health. So different people are interested in different kind of insurances, and they will take accordingly. So let's find out what insurance is in simple word for a common man. So let's find it out. Insurance is a term in a law and economics. It is something people buy to protect themselves from losing money. In exchange for this, if something bad happens to the person or things that is insured, the company that sold the insurance will pay the money back. So actually what does that mean? Is that mean that if you insured yourself or a car or a home, if something bad happened, the company will provide you the money. So what is the benefit of insurance? Like if you buy insurance, what benefit it gives you? For a common man, what benefit it can give you? The obvious and most important benefit of insurance is the payment of losses. Like if you lose something, like your car or a home, or someone you love in your family, so if then you don't need to worry about your finances. You will get the money from the insurance company, and that's very good point for any individual. So an insurance policy is a contract used to indemnify individual and organization for covered losses. The second benefit of insurance is managing cash flow uncertainty. Insurance provide payment for covered losses when they occur. Actually they decreases the risk and uncertainties which usually is there in everybody's life. So that's why insurance is very good for anybody who buys it. So what is the advantage of insurance? Advantage of insurance: provide economic and financial protection. So this is the main point of insurance. Like you don't need to worry about your finances. If something bad happened, if you go into an accident, you hit someone or something like that, so you don't need to worry about the car, your expensive car. You will get back the money, and whichever company you insured your car with. So it's give protection against the financial issues, to ensure against the unexpected losses in consideration of nominal amount called premium. It provides financial protection to the nominee in case of the premature death of the insured. Like in the case of health insurance, you can have that. Who pays an insurance premium?